Welcome back, everyone. Today we have the cyberpunk-inspired Balisong knife. We're getting so close. We got 6 hours, 47 minutes. Let's turn that off, get that noise out of here. Let's go. Let's see if we can get this all put together. Here we are, getting it all torn apart. Gotta get all the pieces off of this brim. Just a little bit of cleanup on the holes. Gotta pound them in there, get them in there nice and tight. Last couple pins, and then I put some screws down in the bottom just to give it a little bit extra weight. And then yeah, here's my attempt at looking cool trying to open this thing. Hope y'all enjoyed.